Welcome to American Cell Technology, North America's leading personal stem cell bank. ACT specializes in preserving and protecting your youngest, healthiest cells and making them available to use throughout your life. Let's go behind the scenes and learn how they do it and how you can store your own stem cells at ACT. When you choose to store your stem cells at ACT, the first step is scheduling an appointment with your physician to collect a small sample of fat or bone marrow. Just a tablespoon of fat contains millions of your mesenchymal stem cells, or MSCs. For adult samples, fat is easier to obtain and tends to have higher amounts of cells compared to bone marrow, leading to more cells available throughout your life. To further protect your safety, ACT recommends infectious disease blood work before accepting samples. While ACT accepts samples regardless of results, if a client is cured of one of these infectious diseases in the future, ACT would ask for a new sample. This extra precaution eliminates any risk of reinfection and keeps your cells safe for a lifetime of use. ACT also offers a revolutionary newborn stem cell banking service called VitalCells. Unlike other cord blood or tissue storage facilities, VitalCells isolates, multiplies, and cryopreserves a newborn's youngest mesenchymal stem cells at birth from their cord blood and cord tissue. VitalCells' proprietary process provides newborns access to potentially billions of their own stem cells throughout their lifetime, displacing the limiting services from traditional cord storage facilities. This is a once-in-a-lifetime gift to give your newborn or loved ones in your life. To learn more about VitalCells, visit VitalCells.com or call ACT for more information. Regardless of an adult or newborn sample, once collected, the sample is priority shipped to ACT's lab and banking facility in South Florida. ACT only accepts autologous samples, meaning the cells come from you and not a donor, making it safer and free from any risk of rejection. Once ACT receives your sample, their team takes it directly to the lab to immediately isolate your stem cells. ACT holds themselves to strict standards and stays compliant with all good tissue practices, or GTP. They verify the sample's origin and ensure that payment and all new sample and client consent forms are completed. Once everything is in order, your cells are now ready for the lab. Before working with your cells, ACT's highly trained lab technicians conduct thorough environmental sterility and quality assurance tests to make sure your cells are safe for storage and potential future use. Their team operates in ISO 7 grade clean rooms under ISO 5 grade biosafety cabinets, meaning HEPA filters change the air at least once per minute, making it tens of thousands of times cleaner than standard indoor air. ACT leverages your cell's natural ability to self-replicate through a process called culture expansion. They start by isolating your cells and placing them on specialized culture plates in a temperature-controlled incubator. The lab technicians provide them with a proprietary blend of GTP-grade nutrients and closely monitor them as they multiply into millions and even billions more cells. When your cells reach an ideal plate density of 80 to 90%, they are ready for freezing. Before cryopreservation, the lab technician takes a sample for sterility and quality testing for live microbial contaminants. Once cells pass quality control standards, the vials are slowly frozen at a rate of 1 degree Celsius per minute to prevent cell membrane damage from ice crystal formation. This slow freezing continues until the cells reach minus 190 degrees Celsius, or minus 310 degrees Fahrenheit. ACT takes pride in actively managing your stem cells. For long-term availability, ACT saves an untouched reserve of the client's youngest cells called a master bank. In addition to the master bank, you will also have a working bank of cells. These cells are conservatively regrown upon request and sent to your physician when you are ready to use them. American Cell Technology prioritizes your future by ensuring the highest quality storage of your stem cells. To learn more about how you can bank your youngest cells for years to come, call us today.